It's a table. If you can believe it. Help me get it up here and I'll show you what I have in mind. I know it's crazy, but. Hey. This is what I had in mind. Follow me. I'm gonna take this 1.5 inch square tubing, brace it from the back here, which gives me an opportunity to put these legs on it. 4 legs. It'd be a great coffee table. What do you think? Well, let's drag it off the table and get over here on the ground and take a better look. The first thing I started with in this build was I braced the back of the fan with 1.5 inch square tubing. I welded that on. I went to the 1.5 inch square tubing legs, welded that onto my bracing. Now after I flipped the table over, I realized that the legs were too small, so I went ahead and went with 2.5 inch square tubing legs instead of 1.5 inch square tubing legs. And then for the feet, I put flat steel. Looking at it on the ground, I realized I needed some red highlights on it to really make the whole table pop. So I went around the edges of the interior of the fan and on the outside of the fan and added that red highlight and just cooked it on there with a blowtorch. Glass is the only thing I spent money on. It cost me $1,000 to buy this wire glass. It's tempered. It's industrial warehouse looking. It went perfect with the fan. Eric, what's happening, man?
How you doing?
You slumming in this neighborhood today?
Man, I got my car over next door, getting work done.
What kind of car is it?
64 Lincoln.
Wow. Do they pump out some awesome hot rods over there?
Some really nice hot rods.
They do great work.
Yeah.
Yours is that gray one
with
the black trim on it?
Yeah, it's nice, man.
That's nice, man. Cool.
What's that?
Oh, I just finished up a table. It's a warehouse fan.
Who's that for?
It's for you if you want it.
Is it for sale?
Yeah. Everything's for sale.
Take a look at it.
Come on. So let me tell you a little bit about it. I found the fan, dragged it into the shop, immediately saw a table.
It's definitely cool.
The glass is wire glass, tempered wire glass. So if you're interested in it, hell, make me an offer.
Man, you know, I could probably do 1,000 on it.
Now keep in mind, I did a lot of fabrication to this.
$1,000 is a good price for a coffee table.
1,000 is a good price. But the glass alone cost $1,000. Plus I got 2 days in it.
Well, what are you thinking?
I want 3,000.
Man, there's no way I'm paying $3,000 for a coffee table.
You can pay 3,000 for this.
Can and will are two different answers there, buddy.
Two different things.
So, we've been friends a long time, man. So how about meet in the middle?
At 2,000.
2,000 cash, but I need it delivered.
You know what? You got a deal. Old buddies, you got it.
Coolio.
Thank you, man.
Yep.
Well, here it is, Eric. I sure do appreciate you buying this thing, man.
Looks good, man. Could have cleaned it up a little bit before you brought it over.
Well, yeah, that's why I brought my rag with me.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that thing cleaned up, baby.
Let me watch you wipe it down.
Yes. Watch this.
I guess you probably want to get paid too, don't
It's
you?
glowing. Yeah, that's the most important part, man. You got to get paid.
There you go, man.
Man, I really appreciate it.
No problem, man. Looks good.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
It goes good with this other table I did too.
It does,
for you.
man. It does.
It's gonna look great.
I think
Cool.
so. Might have to make some other stuff.
Yeah, we'll keep in contact, man. I really appreciate everything. Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem, man. I knew when I walked in, I saw that table, I knew I had to have it, but I'm happy with paying $2,000 for it, plus free delivery.
I found this awesome rusted out warehouse fan on the side of the road, drug it into the shop, and I instantly saw a table. I knew it was going to be a coffee table. As soon as Eric showed up the next day, I was very surprised. He was interested in it and wanted to buy it. So just like that, I found something on the side of the road, built a table out of it. The next day, it sold. Couldn't ask for more than that. And that's what keeps me out there looking for things like this, bring it in the shop, make a cool project out of it. So I hope to see you on the next project.